Welcome back to King's Auto Garage. As you know, Dubai's temperature is rises in every day. So thus the pressure on the cooling system is very high. This measures is come with the coolant low. So coolant low warning. So we are checking for there is any leakage or something. Let's have a look. He's checking there is any external leakage or something. During the visual inspection, there is no external leakage. So we want to do the pressure test. Okay, we can check there is any external leakage after pressure test. Okay, before doing the pressure test, fill the coolant in recommended level. We filled the coolant, and during the pressure test, we found the leaking is coming from the water pump side. So we removed the water pump and the hoses surrounding to the water pump, and 4 hoses and the water pump is damaged. So we need to replace the water pump and the hoses. We have replaced the worn out parts like the hoses and the water pump. Come, I will show you. This is a water pump we have replaced, and also the belt have a small minor cracks. So for the safety, we have already replaced the we are also replaced the water pump belts and the hoses. There are 4 hoses we replaced for the safety, and we can now we are going for a long test drive for ensuring there is no further coolant leakage. During the work, we have dismantled the electrical system like the wires, sensors, etc. So we have already fixed it back. So before taking the test drive, we need to do the calibration for the electrical system. He is Mr. Suraj. He is doing the work. Suraj, how is the car now?
Uh, I did the road test. Car is perfect now.
The car is 100% perfect now. So it is ready to roll the road.
Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay.
A healthy cooling system is critical to prevent engine damage due to overheating. Regular coolant inspection and the cooling system inspection is save you from a big expensive repair. As you know, the Land Rover has same problem. The coolant level is getting low. So the coolant is leaking through somewhere. So we are conducting a pressure test to find the leakage. After the pressure test, we found the leakage is coming from this hose. This hose is going from to the radiator to the total body. So we need to replace the hose first, then we want to do the pressure test again to confirm the leakage is fixed. Before doing the pressure test, we need to bleed the coolant system to confirm there is no air inside the coolant line.
Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life and live your way.
Fill the coolant again.
Things may seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear. Oh, I know that it's not easy, nothing is. Sing, hey, it's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life and live your
We have done the visual inspection, pressure test and the vacuum test. Now the car is going for the final road test. After the road test, the coolant level is okay, there is no coolant leakage and the engine temperature is fine. This is another car, Ford Mustang. This car is came for a paint touch-up over the bumper corner, and we offered a free inspection for the customer. During the inspection, we found a coolant leakage. As you know, the temperature is rises every day in Dubai. So for the safety, we inspect the car cooling system. During the inspection, we found a coolant leakage from a pipe and the water pump. Please come with me. I will show the work status. We removed the dent over the bumper corner and we painted the whole bumper for the better finishing. And also we painted the bumper lip. This is another color, this is black, different from the body color. Body color is red and the bumper lip color is black. So we painted both. This is waiting for the polishing. We do the polishing after the mechanical work. The coolant is leaking from the water pump side, so we are going to replace the water pump and the related hoses. During the full inspection, we found a leakage from the underbody. The oil is leaking from the gear oil sump side. So we inspect that. Customer already fixed the issue before from another garage, but they are only replaced the gasket. But the oil sump is again leaking. As you see, the oil is swept all over the underbody till the rear side. So we need to replace the gasket along with the oil sump.
May seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear.
This is a new transmission oil sump and the gasket we are going to replace. Here is a magnet inside the oil sump. This is because of there is any metal chips inside the oil sump, the magnet will attract that metal chips. That's for its safety.
Hey you, I know sometimes things may seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear.
Don't wait for a breakdown. Get your cooling system checked before it's too late. Visit King's Auto Garage, your American and European car specialist. Stay cool, drive safe. Signing out from King's Auto Garage. We are not an authorized Porsche service dealer or affiliated with Porsche agency. We are an independent multi-brand garage specialized in European and American cars.